At the end of this presentation, you will have a clear understanding of how C programming works. So stick around. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this presentation a thumbs up if you find anything useful. That will be highly appreciated. I thank you. So to write a C program, as you can see here, you need an editor. Okay? An editor. There are several types of editors that you can find on the internet. Even a simple notepad can be used to write C programming, C source code. And you have code blocks, which is also a very popular one, Visual Studio Code, and Eclipse. Now, these editors are used to write source code. As you can see here, a source code has been created named CMTEQ.c. Now, in the source code here, we've got some directive header files, and we've got the main program. C is a compiled language. This means that the source code, a human language like English in this case, in the form of text, must then be converted into object files, which can then be understood by machines such as microcontrollers and laptops. So after writing your source code with only the source file without the directive, and thus remaining source code here will then be dealt with by the compiler. The compiler will then compile the remaining source file, as shown here, into what is called as an object file, which is also known as a machine code, just like here. But except this one here got some undefined reference, as you can see here. Now, these undefined references are precisely the directives that have already been taken by the preprocessor. Okay, these two files here, which both are machine code, the first one here will be executed in a Windows system, in your computer. Every program is compiled into this executable file before it is run. And the second one here, the .hex file, is what is used for microcontroller, your embedded system. Now from here, the next stage is then to call memory or the flash memory of the chip here.